Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Craft Collection Ideas. If you enjoy beautiful home decor, creative crafts, recycling ideas and simple materials turned into something special, then you are in the perfect place because in today's video we are exploring creative decoration ideas using recycled jars, wood and fabric. These ideas are shared for learning, inspiration, creativity, and discovering new possibilities with everyday materials. Sometimes we have empty jars, leftover fabric, pieces of jute, or other materials that we no longer use. Instead of looking at them as ordinary or unnecessary items, we can look at these starting point of creativity. This is where creativity recycling becomes interesting. Creating recycling means giving exciting materials a new purpose through imagination and designs. It can encourage us to think differently about the thing around us, and DIY means do it yourself. DIY is all about exploring creative ideas, experimenting with materials, and developing something according to your own imagination and personal style. Now let's explore some beautiful ideas using jar, jute and fabric. A simple jar can have a completely different appearance when combined with natural looking materials such as jute. Jute has a warm texture and rustic appearance. When it is combined with a simple jar, it can create an interesting decorative concept for the home. You can take inspiration from different arrangement and design and adapt them according to your own preference. This purpose is not to copy one particular design. Instead, these ideas can help you discover your own creativity and possibilities. Fabric is another versatile material for decoration. Different fabric texture and pattern can create completely different visual effect. A simple piece of fabric can add softness and character to a recycled jar. You can explore combination of jute and fabric and see how different textures work together. This kind of creativity activity can also be a great way to learn about balance, texture, shape and color. For example, natural jute can create a rustic feeling, while patterned or colorful fabric can add a more decorative touch. The combination can be simple and detailed depending on the style you want to explore. Another idea is to keep the decoration minimal. Sometimes a simple design can look more elegant than an arrangement with too many decorative elements. A simple amount of jute, a carefully chosen piece of fabric, and the natural shape of the jar can be enough to create an attractive concept. This is an important part of creativity, understanding that beautiful ideas do not always require complicated materials. When we experimenting with recycled materials, we also learn to see possibilities in ordinary objects. An empty jar may look simple, but it can become the inspiration for a decorative piece. A leftover fabric piece may seem small, but it can become an important part of a design. A roll of jute can be used in many different creative ways. This way of thinking can encourage imagination and help us develop new ideas. Another interesting concept is creating a collection of decorated jars. Instead of using just one jar, different jar can be decorated with different combination of jute and fabric. They can have different texture, pattern, shape or decorative detail. When displayed together, these different designs can create a coordinated decorative arrangement. You can also take inspiration from different themes for a rustic look. Natural color and simple texture can work beautifully for a more colorful look. Pattern fabric can add personality for a simple and elegant style. Natural material can create a calm appearance. There are many possibilities, and your own creative can decide the final direction. This is why learning and inspiration are a more important part of our channel. Learning helps us understand different creative concepts. Inspiration gives us new ideas to explore. Creativity allows us to make those ideas our own, and experimentation helps us discover what works best for our personal style. Our goal is to share creative inspiration that encourages you to observe, imagine, and explore. You can use these ideas as a starting point and make changes according to the materials you already have. You can change the fabric, modify the arrangement, experiment with texture, or create a completely different design inspired by the same concept. There is no need for every creative project to look exactly the same. So, I hope you enjoy this collection, and I hope you enjoy this video. Our channel is created to share craft, inspiration, creative ideas, recycling concept, and home decor ideas. We want to encourage learning and creativity while showing how everyday material can inspire beautiful possibilities. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Meet you in the next video. Bye.